The man you see on your screens is the same person who eloquently advocates an inheritance tax-like law in India. Now he has dropped all pretense and has openly called for redistributing India's wealth, not for you and me, but for the illegal immigrants who infiltrate India. In a video released by BJP, Rahul Gandhi's mentor wants India to open its borders to shelter undocumented immigrants, and he justifies that even if India has to suffer a little, it's okay. Let me tell you, this is not the first time Sam Pitroda has stoked a controversy. Earlier, this man mocked India's diversity and compared Indians from Northeast with the Chinese. But first, let's listen into this bizarre theory.
गरीब हैं ये लोग, भूखे हैं ये लोग, इतना काम करके यहां आते हैं, ऑफकोर्स इलीगली आते हैं, वो भी ठीक नहीं है, हम समझते हैं, लेकिन हम इमिग्रेशन के पीछे लगेंगे. हमारे वहां लग गया कि बांग्लादेशी के पीछे लगेंगे, माइनॉरिटी के पीछे लगेंगे, as opposed to saying we will include everybody. If we have to suffer a little bit, it's okay. We will suffer a little bit. We will share. But nobody wants to share. They want to keep their pie bigger and bigger.
The BJP has criticized Pitroda's public call for infiltration, accusing the Congress of harboring a preference for illegal immigrants from Bangladesh and Rohingyas. In response, the Congress reiterated its standard comment, insisting that Pitroda's viewpoints do not reflect those of the party.
Congress has no concern with what Mr. Pitroda says. He is not the Congress president, and whatever statement he has given, we totally disagree with his statement.
कि कौन किसका सलाहकार है, कौन किसका सलाहकार था, समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि उस पे हमें कोई भी टिप्पणी नहीं करनी है. जो व्यक्ति हिंदुस्तान में नहीं है, उनसे क्या हिंदुस्तान की चर्चा की जाए, क्या उनसे बात की जाए.
सैम पित्रोदा जी ने एक और अपना ज्ञान साझा किया है. वो कहते हैं कि माइग्रेशन, इमिग्रेशन पे क्यों बोलना है. कोई अवैध बांग्लादेशी देश में घुसपैठ करके आ जाए तो वी मस्ट शेयर. हमें दिल खुला रखना चाहिए. यही कांग्रेस का बांग्लादेशी रोहिंग्या प्रेम है. इनको बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों में मेहमान नजर आता है.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Let's go back to our guests. Pradeep Bhandari, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Tehseen Poonawalla and Vivek Srivastava continue to be with us on the broadcast. Tehseen Poonawalla, Fakrul Hasan Chansen, जो आदमी रहता ही नहीं है भारत में, उनसे हम भारत पर क्या ज्ञान लें? But Mr. Pitroda wants to invite illegal immigrants. He says it's okay if we suffer a little. Let's suffer.
Thank you, Swati, once again. I don't take Sam Pitroda ji very seriously. As the official Congress spokesperson, Ajay Yadav ji said that the Congress does not accept his statement. And I spoke to the Congress senior leaders. They also don't agree with this. The fact is, he's an individual. He may be advising Rahul Gandhi ji on certain things regarding to technology. He has his opinion, and I think he's giving his opinion sitting in the United States of America. The fact of the matter is, illegal Bangladeshis are thriving in our country. 80% of the Rohingyas who have come into our country have come after 2014, says not Tehseen Poonawalla on Times Now, but Kiran Rijiju said this in the Parliament of India. They have not been able to remove Bangladeshis. The data shows that the UPA removed more Bangladeshis out of India than the present union government removed. And the fact of the matter is that anyone entering our India cannot be accepted, where the government has no policy with immigration. Now, I know they will bring up CA. CA is a citizenship law.
Right.
That is separate. They have no policy regarding immigration or illegal immigration. Therefore, the government is as clueless as a headless chicken on a highway that suddenly sees headlights and does not know what to do.
Headless chicken on a highway. Pradeep Bhandari, please.
Well, first of all, my dear friend Tehseen is, a bit wrong here. Because he said that Sam Pitroda is not taken very seriously. He might not take Sam Pitroda seriously, but I'll tell you how seriously the Congress party takes Sam Pitroda. If you recall and remember, before the elections, in order for a just, spectacle, Sam Pitroda was removed. Immediately after the Congress party got 90-odd seats in the Lok Sabha elections, Sam Pitroda was reinstated, in particular by Rahul Gandhi. So what Sam Pitroda says is the version of the Gandhi family, in particular Rahul Gandhi. So what has he said? He is the same man in the Congress party's official stand understand is they oppose the Hindus and the religiously persecuted minorities taking citizenship during the time of CA, but they have openly backed the Rohingyas. Now you understand, Swati, how since independence, in particular the illegal Rohingyas, illegal Bangladeshis in the last 30-40 years have been given political patronage by the Congress party. The fake Aadhaar cards have been made by the Congress party in the states ruled by them. And point number 3, why did the Congress party oppose the NRC when we got initially? Because their only concern is their vote bank. And this is not just coincidental. Remember what happened during the time of Jharkhand elections when we were raising that how Santhal Pargana has become a den of illegal immigration. It was likes of my friend Tehseen who was saying, kaise hua, kaise hua, kaise hua. Ghulam Ahmad Mir, their guy, was distributing cylinders to the Rohingyas. So today, we on principle basis believe that the NRC is a solution and we will move forward with it when the time comes. However, the political patronage of the Congress party is out in the open. They are working on the instructions of George Soros.
Okay, Mr. Mitra, it's a very convenient argument for the Congress party to give कि इनको कोई seriously नहीं लेता. But Tehseen Poonawalla just said that perhaps Mr. Pitroda is advising Rahul Gandhi on what issues we don't know, and we don't even know the extent of influence that has.
So, you know, there are two things out here, Swati. First of all, I am not being facetious when I say this. The BJP should seriously consider having Mr. Sam Pitroda as a BJP Rajya Sabha candidate. Nobody causes more damage. I think after Manishankar Iyer, Sam Pitroda is only a very close number 2 to Manishankar Iyer in causing serious damage to the Congress every time. This is not the first time he has opened his mouth, said something very stupid. And for whatever reason, Rahul Gandhi does not see it fit to discipline this man. That is very, very disturbing because that means clearly he has no fear of consequences and he's saying exactly what Rahul Gandhi wants him to telegraph out to his supporters. Second, you know, this is an American citizen sitting in America who is interfering in Indian internal affairs. People here seem to take him very seriously and go ask an American about India. This is a man who owns a multi-story mansion, lives in a multi-story mansion in a gated community. The mansion is worth millions of dollars in Chicago. His payout itself from his company, Alpha EN, was estimated at 63 crores in those days, $7.5 million. He lives in a country where the per capita income is $75,000. And he's asking a country with a per capita income of $2,900, who his leader keeps complaining is getting poorer and poorer and economy is getting destroyed, to suffer even more for his ideals. In the same interview, he says, no, it's very bad. Illegal should not be in America. They should be kicked out. So $75,000 should not suffer, but $2,900 should suffer. This man is trying to destroy India. Let us be very clear about it.
Okay, I want to go across to Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, I will not delve more into the lifestyle of Sam Pitroda that he has in US after what Mr. Mitra said. But he wants us to share. He wants us to suffer a little bit for illegal immigrants. One of the INDI bloc partners already has said, जो US में बैठे हैं, जो वहाँ रहते हैं, उनसे हम भारत पर क्या ज्ञान लें? But what is your view? आपकी क्या राय है?
Yes. हाँ. पहले तो see, first of all, Mr. Abhijit Iyer Mitra does not know anything about Sam Pitroda and his contributions to this country under Shri Rajiv Gandhi's tenure as the Prime Minister. Department of Telecommunications, DOT, was set up by Mr. Sam Pitroda. Computerization and information technology, major advances the country made on his advisory position. Let me speak. The entire telecom revolution started under Vajpayee. Don't call senior people stupid. Don't call senior people stupid when you do not know about their background.
Okay, sir, अगर आपने नहीं सुना हो, कांग्रेस के खुद के official spokesperson नहीं जाना चाहते into what he said. So you okay? I don't know if you heard that, but Congress's own are not taking him that seriously. That's what Tehseen Poonawalla is saying. We don't take him so seriously. So please come back to the issue at hand. Your view.
That's okay. Yeah, I'm coming to the issue. Now, see, Mr. Sam Pitroda is a respected man. This is not the official political line of the Congress party as far as this particular
then why is the Congress party not making it absolutely clear by reprimanding him, pulling him up and saying that, incorrect, once and for all, just stop?
No, आप सुन लीजिए ना, मैडम मेरे को बोलने दीजिए ना.
बोलिए ना.
Let me speak.
बोलिए.
Let me speak. I endorse what Sam Pitroda has said. He is not saying anything about illegal immigrants. Every civilized country in the world gives refuge. There is a difference in a refugee and there is a difference in an illegal immigrant. He's talking about refugees.
तो
You have
इलीगल शब्द
Mexican
का इस्तेमाल करने पर क्या
refugees in
उसका
America.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट
You
और
had
रेफरेंस
Cuban
निकाला
refugees earlier in
जाए?
America.
इलीगल वर्ड का
We
इस्तेमाल
had
करने के बाद आप और क्या
Syrian
समझेंगे उसको?
We had Tamil refugees in this country. नहीं, अगर हम रिफ्यूजी कैंप बना के किसी गरीब, चाहे वो हिंदू कम्युनिटी हो, मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी हो, दूसरे देश से आए,
Let illegal migrants come, he said. It will.
कह दीजिए कि हिंदू धर्म
We'll have to share. We'll have to suffer a bit.
Illegal
Let's
immigrant,
suffer.
refugee word
It's
use किया है.
okay if we have to suffer a bit. Let illegal immigrants come. ये कहा है उन्होंने साफ साफ.
Yes. No.
Properties, no?
See, he's talking about
Let
refugee
him
camps.
suffer.
It's very clear.
I don't want to suffer.
Maybe there is a haircut in the words. Refugee camps should be there.
आप अपना वेल्थ
We
शेयर
must-
करेंगे.
we must-
विवेक
we must
श्रीवास्तव,
have
आप अपना वेल्थ
refugees.
शेयर करेंगे.
We must help
Are you
them.
willing to suffer?
Every civilized
Are you willing to suffer? आप अपना वेल्थ शेयर करेंगे क्या?
I know 10 Rohingya refugees.
suffer?
आप
Vivek,
सफर
send me
करेंगे.
your address. I'll send the Rohingya refugees over to your house.
Okay, and for your benefit, let's listen in once again to what Mr. Pitroda said. सुन लेते हैं, please.
गरीब हैं ये लोग, भूखे हैं ये लोग, इतना काम करके यहां आते हैं, ऑफकोर्स इलीगली आते हैं, वो भी ठीक नहीं है, हम समझते हैं, लेकिन हम इमिग्रेशन के पीछे लगेंगे. हमारे वहां लग गया कि बांग्लादेशी के पीछे लगेंगे, माइनॉरिटी के पीछे लगेंगे, as opposed to saying we will include everybody. If we have to suffer a little bit, it's okay. We will suffer a little bit. We will share. But nobody wants to share. They want to keep their pie bigger and bigger.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपने सुना, पॉलिसी मत रखिए, कोई दरवाजे खोल दीजिए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल
मान रहे हैं वो इस बात को कि ये लोग इलीगली
बिल्कुल, तो
आते
आप
हैं
हिंदू
और फिर
धर्म
वो
में बोल
इनवाइट
दीजिए ना,
कर रहे हैं कि कोई बात नहीं, आने
चैंपियन
दीजिए, हम सफर करेंगे, हम शेयर
चैंपियन ऑफ
करेंगे.
हिंदूज यहाँ बैठे हैं, बोल दीजिए हिंदू धर्म में हम शरण नहीं देते, हिंदू धर्म में शरण नहीं दी
आपको तो
जाती.
दिक्कत हो रही थी जब परसिक्यूटेड माइनॉरिटीज को शरण दी जा रही थी, तब भी. प्रदीप भंडारी.
तो नहीं, घुसपैठियों को मैं बता, अरे विवेक भाई, घुसपैठियों को शरण देना नहीं लिखा है. ये रहा 1998 का आर्टिकल. स्वाति, 1998 के अंदर बीजेपी शिवसेना की सरकार थी जिसने घुसपैठियों को मुंबई से भेजा था. ये लोग सीपीएम वाले बंगाल के अंदर रूल करते थे, इन्होंने ट्रेन को रोका था. ये हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट बता रहा हूं. घुसपैठियों की ट्रेन को इन्होंने बंगाल में रोका था जब उनको वापस हम भेज रहे थे, कहते हुए कि घुसपैठिए तो भारतीय नागरिक है. सो हिज ऑफिशियल स्टैंड इज एग्जैक्टली राहुल गांधी स्टैंड, एग्जैक्टली व्हाट सैम पिट्रोडा स्टैंड इज. अगेन, बट दिस इज वेरी सिनिस्टर. स्वाति, रिमेंबर व्हाट राहुल गांधी सेड, दैट ही वांट्स टू फाइट द इंडियन स्टेट. Sam Pitroda's statement has made it clear how Rahul wants to fight the Indian state. He wants to disenfranchise the Indian voter by getting the illegal immigrants for his vote bank politics in order to provide a democratic veto. This is his sinister plan.
ह्यूमैनिज्म
नहीं, कोई ह्यूमैनिज्म नहीं है. घुसपैठियों को अपने घर में रखो. अभिजीत ने आपको नंबर दिया.
Tehseen Poonawalla also wants to come in. Tehseen Poonawalla also wants to come in.
That is the difference.
There are 3 points that Pradeep made. Number one, forget what Rahul Gandhi or Sam Pitroda or Abhijit Iyer Mitra or Vivek Srivastava think. You are in government. I am quoting the MOS home in parliament saying 80% of the Rohingyas came after 2014. How is the Congress responsible for that? None have been thrown out so far. Point number 2. Please allow me, Pradeep. Point number 2. The fact is, in NRC, you said on this show that NRC has been opposed by the Congress. 20th December 2019, I want all viewers of Times Now to see, the most honorable Prime Minister of India said, please believe me, there has been no discussion in my government on NRC. Point number 3, in 2024, NRC was not in the BJP's manifesto. Now, I am asking you, Pradeep Bhai, you said the Congress opposed the CAA. I am asking you, the CAA has a cutoff date of 31st December 2014 because of some Babu who thought it's a great date.
Okay.
How are the Sikhs of Punjab? How are the Hindus of Bangladesh today being allowed under CAA?
Tehseen,
Because
take a
you
response,
don't-
please. I have to wrap up.
10 seconds.
Okay,
Just
quick
10
response.
seconds. I'll tell you how the Congress party is responsible. Because since the Congress has been out of power, the only job that the Congress is doing is making Aadhaar cards of the illegal Ghusbaitiyas. So in order to increase its vote bank, that is there. That is what the Aam Aadmi party is doing. Our intent is clear. 26 January 2025, देश के 18 राज्यों में छिपे रोहिंग्याओं के 3-layer verification होगा और वापस भेजा जाएगा. This is Dainik Bhaskar report as latest as 26 January. So Tehseen asked Rahul Gandhi to support NRC and we will back it.
Okay, all right.
If you
With
know
that,
who the
with that, we're
Rohingyas are,
completely out of time. We're completely out of time. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us.
watching the